Hello friends, here comes my next video on Faber. Now Faber is a very good brand in kitchen appliances segment. Now if you look at the website here, that's a very good model they have created in terms of not just selling but rather cross-selling of multiple products and brands and variants, while creating a package to improve their sales revenue. You see, in modern days, this has become very important for any smart marketer to not only just sell but rather cross-sell multiple categories of products, whether it is related or unrelated. When you talk about cross-selling, it is usually the related products along with the principal product that you try to sell in. For example, in this case here, they have created a category called kitchen appliances, and under kitchen appliances you can see the width of their portfolio is, as you can see, the first product category is chimney hoods, second is gas appliances, third category is water heaters, RO water purifiers, cooking appliances, dishwashers, health and sanitization, small appliances. So these are all the categories. If you see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 product categories under the principal category called kitchen appliances. So they are not just selling you one product, rather they are trying to create a package for your kitchen, and they are selling all their different products and brands under these different categories. Under each product category, you will find multiple subcategories of products, and under each subcategory you will find multiple brands, and under each brand you will have multiple variants. So that's the way you can think about, or you can plan about, the portfolio mix of any organization. So for a good marketer, it is very important to understand that how they can club multiple product categories and create a principal categories. For example, in this case it is kitchen appliances, and then they try to gain the mileage 8 times as compared to the single product. So they are selling the entire kitchen, not just the one product. That's how, as you can see in their different graphics, here comes the Faber dishwasher and the cooktops and water purifiers, chimneys, built-in ovens. And the kind of positioning they have created for their products is basically, as you can see from here, particularly this graphic, is safety. So now safer with Faber. So that's how, moving further with their website, and that's the range, as you can see, in chimneys, gas appliances, cooking appliances, dishwashers. So they are actually selling you the entire bouquet of their product or brands or variants under the principal category called kitchen appliances. So if with one product, if they are trying to earn rupees 1 lakh, so now with 8 different product categories, they are actually trying to generate a sales revenue of 8 lakh rupees, as an example. So that's how you can see. Apart from this, they have also offered you to visit their virtual showroom. So let me click here and try to understand if they give you a particular kitchen, and that's how they are trying to show you in this kitchen where these different products are allocated. So let's see with this their 3D space. Let me open and let me play this particular virtual video. So herein, as you can see, wonderful. So as you can, I'll click the dots and then I'll explain the different products. So that's the entire kitchen they are trying to sell, not just the product. So they're cross-selling all the related products that you should have in your kitchen. So here is the Italian collection series hoods. That is the one product. Product 2 is the built-in oven. Product 3 is cooktop. This is the Italian collection series hoods suction, and here comes the sink. Here you have got again hybrid cooktop, and just above the cooktop, that is the suction again, and this is the suction hood skylift. This is again a cooktop. This is coffee machine. And that's how they are trying to make your kitchen in a very organized way. There's built-in microwave so that a smart woman can access all the products with full of convenience. That's a built-in oven. This is again a built-in oven. It's again a built-in oven. These are all suction decorative hoods, and this is, you have burners. So likewise, as you can see, they are not just selling you one product, but they are selling you the concept of the smart kitchen. Okay, so now moving further with this, and let me go back to the and I would like to show you the other categories of their marketing strategies. Now let me show you their product catalog. Okay, so that's their different products, as you can see. So this is the product category 1, 2, 3. So you can have the full catalog, and under the catalog you'll find multiple brands, and under each brand you'll find multiple variants. So I'll just show you, if you download these catalogs, so that's how these the PDFs that you're going to get it. So for example, if let's say I open the product catalog for cooktop. Okay, so this is the cooktop, and you will have, you can see the different variants under this particular cooktop brand called Supreme, and these are the point of parity and point of differentiations. Okay, so you will have multiple brands, and under each brand you have got multiple variants, and likewise you can now open for all the product catalogs. Okay, so now if you move further, these are the newly launched products that they are offering you. Apart from this, they are also selling you accessories in order to improve their sales revenue, not just the products. Rather, they are giving, or they are trying to gain the annual maintenance contract from you by selling different accessories with respect to the products. Okay, so this will definitely improve their sales revenue through cross-selling. So as a marketer, you need to understand the power of cross-sell, whereby you not only generate or improve your sales revenue, but improve your profits at the same time. And then here, these are the maintenance tips they have given you. So these are the services from their side. Apart from just selling the product, they are also into services as well. So now let me open about Faber, what they have mentioned, and this is use of robotic and automated technology in the production process. That's how they are trying to implement the technological aspects as well. So if you look at Faber worldwide, so they have a turnover of 220 million euros, and they are available in 3 continents. So that is the market width, with 7 plants, that is the plant width, and in 6 countries, that is the country width. Okay, and it is very important that you just not only operate in Indian scenario, but you are available in other continents or other regions as well. Now, that's the region-centric orientations they have adopted for Asia Pacific and Middle East regions. So that's their market width, as you can see from this particular diagram or map. That's the team, and if you talk about their after-sale service, then that's the kind of direct marketing through the toll-free number and email, and that's how they are trying to tell you about their testimonial. So that is their distribution width. They have got 120 franchise, 50 executive, 500 service technicians. So higher the width, higher the depth, higher the satisfaction for a customer. So that's how they have got different medias available as well. So let me open up different medias from their media gallery, and these are the different videos that they have created for the better understanding of the customers. So you can run any video and then you can understand what are the benefits. So these are different videos for different product categories. For example, water heaters, chimneys, cooktops, and as you can see, you can run also through these videos.
And maximum flame outlet.
So that is how they have got very smart solutions here for smart women. That's how they are targeting these women who are working professionals and they have a need or demand for such organized kitchen. And now I would like to show you one or two of their videos. Now this is one of the video that I've downloaded. That is how I wanted to show you about their reach. So this is the region or region-centric orientation they have adopted. That's how they are available worldwide. This is the width of their markets, and that's how the analytics, from each market, the kind of revenue they are generating. And this is again another analytics with respect to their different products. This is their advertisement. Now I'll run one more video to show you their distribution width as well. Okay. That's the distribution width. I have already spoken about their distribution width through their website. These days, not only Faber, but in kitchen appliances segment, you will find multiple players have entered. For example, Bosch, Siemens, Whirlpool, Glen. They all are trying to sell you not just one product, but all related products under the package option, and with all accessories and annual maintenance contract. So that's the new way to sell in the market, where you just not provide the products, but rather you provide the solutions via the principal category that you adopt for your products and services. So with this, I would like to end this video, and I request all my audience or viewers of this video to please subscribe to my YouTube channel in order to get such videos and press the bell icon button to receive the notifications as well. Do share, like and forward these videos to other students who are doing their MBA from different institutions. And thank you very much. Take care.